Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Not too long from my last video, just 1 minute apart for me. I don't know how much it's gonna be for you, but anyway, for this video I have the Target box for March, which just arrived today, and I believe this month the box was $7. Sometimes it's 7, sometimes it's 10. As usual, I will leave the link down below if you wanna get this box. And let's go ahead and see what's in this month box. As usual, it comes with the card and the coupon on the back, and also all the products that are in the box. This time we have a $3 off coupon. I never use them, I don't know why, because I don't I don't shop at Target, so I'm not using those. Maybe I will. So far, here is the box inside, and I don't know if you can see, but something is not quite right here. It's all over powder and whatever is this, we'll see. So far the first product in here, and everything, it's a mess here. The first product in this box is from number 7. It's Early Defense Glow Activating Serum. Is this one. It's a deluxe sample. Then everything looks so gross. Then we have from St. Ives. It's a skin renewing collagen and elastin body lotion, which looks like this. I'm trying to see more information about this one, but it doesn't say here. Then another product in here. Gosh, it's a big mess here. Another product in here is from Nexus. This is dry shampoo, which looks like this. It's a good size also. Another thing in here, it's from Pantene. This is foam conditioner, which is supposed to be white, but it's not because everything is covered in some powder. But anyway, this is a conditioner. And then we have here from Olay is this this item, and this one is micro scrubbing cleansing infusion. This is hydrating glow body wash, which looks like this. We have some good items this month, probably more than we usually get. And then we have this box here, which is from Clairol, if I'm saying right, Color Crave hair makeup. And this one is, what's this one? Hair makeup, Brilliant Amethyst. I don't know, maybe. Anyway, if you wanna get some color to your hair, is this one, and this one is in the shade, I believe Amethyst is the shade, Brilliant Amethyst. So if you wanna get a little bit purple in your hair, try this one. And the last item in here, and guilty for all the mess, in here it's a product from Wet n Wild, which looks like this. Everything is cracked inside, so I'm not gonna bother trying to open this, because everything is already on in the box. So yeah, excepting this product, the powder, which is supposed to be sweet as candy, and I believe this one it's an eyeshadow quad. You can even see what were the colors in this one. Excepting that product, those are so-so products for me at least. Is the hair color, which probably, I don't know, my daughter will play with that. We have the conditioner, the foam conditioner. We have the Olay body wash. We have the Nexus dry shampoo. We have the Saint Yves body lotion. My nose is so itching from that powder. Excuse me. So then we have number 7 serum. So far what I like from this box is the serum from number 7, and also I'll try the dry shampoo. The rest of them are so-so, and the eyeshadow is just like not there. So yeah, that's all in the Target box. And I remember I was watching a video, another unboxing for this box, and one of you anyway had the same problem with the eye palette. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna send them a picture, because I do understand when one person gets that problem, but when the most of us have the same problem, I think that it's coming from them. It's not about transportation or things like that. So yeah, that's all for Target. Not the best box from them. Anyway, let me know if you got the Target box, if you have the same problem with the eyeshadow. And yeah, that's kind of all for this video. I'll see you very soon again with another unboxing, which is gonna be, as I said before, a mini haul from Cult Beauty, and that is gonna have a free bag from Cult Beauty website, which I think is the best free bag that I ever got. The Cult Beauty have the best free bags as makeup and skincare. So I'll see you very soon again. You have a great day. Bye bye.